Medical and dental practices are continuing to hear more and more about large fines and data breaches surrounding HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996. Many are fearful that significant fines could affect their practice, their patients, and their livelihood. Is it a real threat? Oh yeah, it is. HIPAA law is confusing, and protecting the security and privacy of your patient information is critical. And with the enactment of the Omnibus Rule back in 2013, HIPAA compliance now extends to your business associates as well. Hi, it's David Weiner, Mr. Cashflow. I've been working with medical and dental practices for the majority of my life, helping them to increase their cash flow, reduce their receivables, minimize their tax liability, and avoid compliance issues. This one is a big compliance issue, but it's not too difficult to manage. Stay with me and we'll answer some of the most frequently asked questions about HIPAA Business Associate Agreements. If this is the first of our videos, welcome. Please subscribe to the channel, push the bell icon to be notified when more videos that can help your business and practice are created. If this one's helpful to you, please hit like on the video and leave me any HIPAA questions that you might have in the comments below. I'll answer them personally. The Ponemon Institute states that 39% of all business associates have experienced a data breach, and in one case, a practice was fined $31,000 for not having a business associate agreement on file. That's an expensive document. Our HIPAA compliance specialists rarely have a day go by that they don't receive questions about business associates and business associate agreements. Let's answer some of the more frequently asked questions.
Do I need to have a business associate agreement on file?
Yes. If you're a covered entity under HIPAA, you're required to execute business associate agreements. The Health and Human Services website, HHS.gov, defines a covered entity as a healthcare provider who electronically transmits any health information in connection with transactions for which HHS has adopted standards. Bottom line, examples of covered entities under HIPAA are doctors, clinics, psychologists, dentists, chiropractors, oral surgeons, podiatrists, ophthalmologists, nursing homes, pharmacies, health insurance companies, company health plans, and labs. All of those are considered to be covered entities.
Who is a business associate?
A business associate is any organization or person working in association with or providing services to a covered entity who handles or discloses protected health information, or PHI, or personal health records, PHR. A business associate may also be a subcontractor that creates, receives, maintains, or transmits PHI on behalf of another business associate. Think of it this way. If you contract with a person or an entity that needs access to your PHI to do their job, they're most likely a business associate. Bottom line is, examples of business associates are your lawyer, your accountant, IT programmers and representatives, shredding companies, marketing software companies, practice management software providers, collection agencies, data backup and storage companies, and billing companies.
Are there exceptions to who is a business associate?
Yes. HIPAA excludes conduits of information like UPS or FedEx, governmental agencies like Medicare or Medicaid, and anyone else who is not required to handle your PHI to do their jobs. Janitors, landlords, water delivery services. Also, your employees are not considered business associates. They need to be trained on HIPAA, but you don't need to execute a business associate agreement with your employees.
Exactly what is a business associate agreement and why is it important?
A business associate agreement is a binding legal document that is now required under HIPAA for you to execute with all of your business associates. It is imperative that your practice has business associate agreements in place with a log kept for reference. Because your practice as a covered entity is sharing PHI with your business associate, this document ensures that the HIPAA mandates are in place and that your patients are protected. If you use the right business associate agreement, it also includes an indemnity clause. The indemnity clause protects you financially if PHI is compromised under your business associate's watch. This is a crucial clause that should be included in any business associate agreement you execute. Again, please let me know any questions you have down below in the comments, and give me a thumbs up if this video has been helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel for more videos that can help you build your cash flow, collect more from patients and insurance companies, and stay compliant with the law and regulations. Cash flow strategies. After all, it's your money. Keep more of it.